Okay, so we're standing here just below the former Port Arthur, Duluth and Western Railway Bridge on the Kaministiquia River, just west of Stanley. It's a beautiful March afternoon. And so you can see the bridge here. We are looking and standing on the eastern side of the bridge, and then panning over this way towards the western side. This particular bridge was constructed in 1922. It was a replacement for a structure that had been built in 1902, which itself was a replacement for the original structure, which was built in 1893. You can see there is some deterioration of the bridge that will need to be addressed at some point. Some flaking of the concrete. It is still used for road traffic. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hop up right on top of the bridge and have a look from there. Okay, so we're up here on the railway grade. We are looking to the east, back towards Stanley, which is at milepost 19. And so what we're going to do is we're going to explore the top part of the railway grade here as we walk across the bridge here on the Kaministiquia River. We're probably around milepost 20, about a mile west of Stanley. You can see the scene here, the Kaministiquia River, as we look to the north. The river would head upstream from here towards Kaministiquia. And then if we cross this way, obviously this is the downstream side. Looking to the south here, as the river flows to the east, eventually emptying into Lake Superior. So this bridge was constructed in 1922 by Canadian National Railway, who owned the bridge at the time and owned the railway line. It was referred to as the North Lake subdivision, or the North Lake branch. As you can see, the bridge is still open to vehicular traffic. I've actually been interrupted a few times by passing vehicles. Being a railway bridge, there is not a lot of wiggle room. So the bridge itself is approaching its 100th birthday. It does need some remediation work. And hopefully that gets done and the bridge continues to function for a number of years. You can see that the river is starting to break up. It's supposed to be warmer this coming week, and so hopefully that trend continues as we move our way into spring. You can see the upstream abutments here. And so from here, the line continues westward towards Hearthstone, which is a mile or two away, and then past that onto Flint and Heimers.